Large and violent wedge tornado heading towards the city of Houston. Tornado emergency for the city of Houston and surrounding areas. This is a potential mass casualty situation. The National Weather Service in Houston-Galveston has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Sugar Land, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Houston and surrounding areas. This is a potential mass casualty situation. All residents in the emergency area are strongly advised to seek an underground shelter now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters and emergency management confirmed a large multi-vortex tornado exceeding 2 miles in diameter. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. You could be killed if not underground, or not in a tornado shelter. Complete destruction of entire neighborhoods is likely. Many well-built homes will be completely swept from their foundations. Trees and debris will block most roadways. Mass devastation is highly likely, making the area completely unrecognizable to survivors. Locations impacted include Houston, Sugar Land, Meadows Place, Bel Air, Missouri City, Southside Place, Galena Park, Channelview, Jacinto City, Cloverleaf, Baytown, and Highlands. Precautionary and preparedness actions. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Fort Bend and Harris.